Here's the Moto G 5G 2022 model. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. First thing after you turn it on, you should be here. It says hi there. You want to go ahead and choose your language. I'm going to go with English in the United States there, and I'm going to tap on start. Connect to mobile network. You can go ahead and insert your SIM card and everything now, or you can do it after you're done with the setup. Okay, so for me, I'm going to go ahead and put in my SIM card after the setup. So I'm going to go with skip here. So I'll make a new video how to insert your SIM card. The link will be below in the description. Okay, so from here we're going to go ahead and connect to our Wi-Fi network so we can get the latest update. You can always skip this and go back to this later as well. Okay, but for me, I'm going to go with it right now. Put in my password to my Wi-Fi. After you put in the password, tap on connect. Let's see if it connects here. Obtaining IP address. All right, looks good. Privacy and software updates. Now, these are all optional, okay? So it's up to you. But for me, I'm only good with these two here, right there. And then for myself, I'm gonna accept and continue. Getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. Copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and more. Okay, so if you want to do it that way, you can tap on next here. And it says right here, use your old device to transfer. You need your old Android or iPhone device, turn it on and keep it unlocked and keep it close. Okay, and then you tap on next. Okay, so for me, I'm going to go back and I'm going to put don't copy. I want a fresh, clean slate on this phone. So for myself, I'm going to click on don't copy. Now they're asking your Google account, basically your Gmail. You can go and sign into that, or you can create an account, or you can skip this and do it later. Okay, so for myself, I'm just going to skip it, and I'll go ahead and do this later, and I'll tap on skip right there as well. Google services. Now these are all optional, okay, but for myself, I'm just fine with the first two there. I don't care for the send diagnostic and data, so I'm good with this here. I'm going to tap on accept. They're asking for me to create a PIN password, so I would recommend go ahead and do this now. So I put in my PIN there. I'm going to tap on next, and I'm going to need to re-enter my PIN one more time. Okay, and I'm going to tap on confirm right there. Unlock with your fingerprint, basically a fingerprint password. You can skip this and never do it, or you can skip it and do it later, or you can do it right now. For myself, I'm going to go ahead and do it right now. I'm going to tap on setup right there. Now take the sensor, it's not down here, it's your power button, okay? So it says find the sensor, so go ahead and put the finger that you want on there, just like that, and now off, on, you feel it vibrate, off, and just keep on going. Keep on going. Just keep on going. Okay, there we go. And you probably want this enabled as well. Touch to unlock, so you can touch it to unlock your phone. Okay, so from here we're going to go next right there. Now I have one fingerprint added. Okay, you can go ahead and add another fingerprint right now, or you can do it later. Okay, so for me, I'm fine with this one here. I'm just going to go ahead and click on done. Review additional apps on here. You can go ahead and tap on OK right there. Let's stay in touch. If you want to stay in touch, go ahead and put your email on there. I'm fine. I don't want to subscribe. I don't want my emails on there. So for myself, I'm going to uncheck those and click on next. Choose your theme. You want light theme or you want the dark. Okay, most of you guys are probably going to go with the dark, same as me. I like the dark. I'm going to tap on next. You're all set. Let's tap on done right there. And voila, we are in business. Now, if you want to know how to insert the SIM card, look at the video in the description below. Okay? Good luck, guys. Bye.